Go Carpet Cleaning in Woodstock, Georgia. Testimonials. At Go Carpet Cleaning, we specialize in commercial and residential carpet cleaning, area rug cleaning, and upholstery services. We use natural cleaners to fight any type of stain, even the most challenging ones. Carpet cleaning is our passion, and we pour years of experience into every home we work on in Woodstock. Our number one priority is always making sure our customers are happy. We offer quality work and dedicate ourselves to unparalleled customer service. We always aim to please our clients, and will make sure their needs are satisfied every step of the way. See what our customers are saying about us.
I contacted Gal to clean my rugs. He did a thorough job. He is really an expert of rugs and carpets. He explained everything about his cleaning method before he proceeded to the cleaning. Thank you, Go Carpet Cleaning.
Ben was very professional in all areas of cleaning. A job well done.
Carpet looks way better.
Not only do we offer carpet cleaning, but check out the variety of other services that we provide as well. Cleaning traffic patterns, upholstery cleaning, air duct cleaning, rug cleaning, pet stains and odors cleaning, commercial services. Take a journey with us to beautiful Woodstock. Woodstock was established as a town in 1897 by the Georgia General Assembly. The city is located in Cherokee County, Georgia. It is part of the Atlanta metropolitan area and was initially a stop for the Louisville and Nashville Railroad. People who enjoy exploring nature can use the old Rope Mill Park, which has many biking and hiking trails. The Dixie Speedway is a dirt track covering an area of about 150 acres, located in northern Georgia. The track hosts many events and festivals all year round. If you live in or near Woodstock, ring us to get a complimentary consultation and learn more about our admirer-worthy rates for carpet cleaning and more. Visit our website www.gocarpetcleaningatlanta.com/carpet-cleaning-services/Woodstock-GA or call us at 678-818-5698.